Good morning, dear children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Good. Okay. We have completed geography first lesson, the earth in the solar system, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Then,
Good morning, ma'am.
yes, good morning, dear. Then today we can discuss all the important points which come under this lesson, the earth in the solar system. Ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All of you mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In this lesson, first I'll give you a brief summary of the lesson. After that, I'll be asking some questions. So you should be attentive in the class. Right? All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The earth in the solar system. In this lesson, first we discussed about two shapes of moon. Two shapes of moon. First one is we discussed two shapes of moon. Two different shapes of moon. Full moon and new moon. Full moon is also known as Purnima. New moon is also known as Amavasya.
Amavas.
Full moon occurs once in a month. New moon appears 15 days after full moon, right? New moon appears 15 days after full moon. Clear? Okay. Then, why we cannot see moon and other shiny objects during daytime? It is because of the bright light of sun. Bright light of the sun does not allow us to see moon and other shining objects in the sky. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, we discussed one new term, that is celestial bodies. We discussed what is celestial body or what are celestial bodies. Then we discussed the sun, moon, and other shining objects in the sky are called celestial bodies. Stars or sun, moon, and other objects in the sky are called celestial bodies. Celestial bodies are of two types. Celestial bodies which produce light. Celestial bodies which do not produce light. Celestial bodies which produce light. Example, a sun. Stars, right? Celestial bodies which produce light are called stars. Example, sun. Celestial bodies, some celestial bodies do not produce light. Example, planets. Planets get light from or receive light from the sun. Then what are celestial bodies? Celestial bodies means the sun, then moon, and other shining objects in the sky are called celestial bodies. I hope it's clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then next we discuss one more new word, that is constellation. Constellation means a group of stars form patterns in the sky. Group of stars form patterns, different patterns in the sky. These are called constellations. Saptarishi is group of 7 stars, right? Most easily recognizable constellation is Saptarishi. Saptarishi means it's a group of 7 stars. Then next we discussed about pole star. In early period or in ancient times, people found out their direction or determined their direction with the help of a star. It is pole star or north star. It always remain in the north position. So ancient people could easily found out the direction or determine direction. Till this is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you can remember, you can recollect all the points what we learned, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What we learned and what
Yes,
we
ma'am.
studied,
Yes.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then next we discussed what a solar system. Solar system means sun, 8 planets, satellites, and other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form solar system. Sun, 8 planets, satellites, and other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. It's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next we discuss about the sun. Right? Sun is the center of a solar system. Sun is the center of
our
solar system. Sun is made up of hot gases. Right? Sun is made up of hot gases. It has its own heat and light. Then it is, the sun is about 150 million kilometers away from our planet, the earth. The light of the sun takes only 8 minutes to reach on the earth. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then next we discussed planets. 8 planets are there in our solar system. Till 2006, 9 planets were there. Now Pluto is not considered as a planet. So we have 8 planets in the solar system. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Venus is called Earth's twin. Venus is known as Earth's twin because size and shape of Venus is similar to the Earth. So Venus is called Earth's twin. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next we discussed about the Earth. Third nearest planet to the Earth and fifth largest planet in the solar system. Right? Its shape is described as geode. Geode means Earth-like shape. Means Earth is flattened at 2 poles and bulge in the middle. That's why we use the word geode here. Earth-like shape. It is flattened at 2 poles and bulge in the middle. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And conditions favorable to support life are found only on the earth. Conditions favorable to support life are found only on the earth. Presence of air and water make our planet different from other planets. Presence of air and water make our planet unique or different from other planets. That means Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. That's why Earth is called unique planet. Why is Earth called unique planet? Because conditions favorable to support life are found only on the Earth. Presence of air and water make the Earth unique or make it different from the other planets.
And the earth is neither too cold or not too hot.
Then one more point we have discussed at the heading this, heading Earth, as Earth is known as water planet or blue planet. Earth is called water planet or blue planet. It is because of the presence of water. Water covers 70% of the surface of the Earth. Who is talking there? Who is not listening me? 70% of the earth is covered with water. Then next we discuss the moon. Right? Moon, earth has only one satellite. It is moon. Moon is moving around the earth. Right. Satellite means satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planet. Okay. Then artificial and natural satellites are there. Natural and human-made or artificial satellites are there. Right? Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. The moon is a natural satellite of our planet. The moon is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from the earth. Then for rotational revolution, moon takes 27 days. Is it clear? The moon has mountains, plains and depression on its surface. So when we look at the full moon, we can observe these shadows. Actually, what are the shadows? Plains, mountains and depressions on the surface of the earth. Not on the earth, on the moon. Clear? Then we discussed asteroids and meteoroids. Asteroids are tiny rocky objects move around the sun in a fixed path, or this fixed path is known as asteroid belt. These are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter.
Mars and Jupiter.
Yes. The next one is meteoroids. Actually, meteoroids are small part of asteroids, right? Sometimes these asteroids hit with other asteroids, then small pieces of asteroids to break off. These are meteoroids.
Small pieces of rocks.
Then meteoroids are small pieces of rocks move around the sun in a fixed path. These are found between the orbit of Mars and
Jupiter.
Clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
Sometimes these meteoroids come near to the earth due to friction with air. These meteoroids get heated up and burn. And this causes a flash of light, right? This one is known as meteors. And these meteors, without completely burn, fall on the surface of the earth and create big holes on the earth. On the surface of the earth. This is called meteorites. Then last we discussed about what is universe. Universe is the largest unit in which we live. It's a collection of millions of galaxies. Who is disturbing there? It's a collection of millions of galaxies. One galaxy is Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is part of Milky Way galaxy. I have drawn a picture on the board. Do you remember that? One universe, collection of millions of galaxies.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. I hope all of you understood this lesson, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Did you read your textbook? Did you read textbook?
No, ma'am.
You are laughing, smiling.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, from your face I
Ma'am,
understood you didn't read your textbook. Why you didn't read the textbook?
Ma'am, I don't have textbook.
Ma'am, I didn't get.
Some of you didn't get textbook. Now I think it is available at school now, right? Now, you will get message. At time you can command, your parents can command by the textbook. Okay. Then I have sent notes. Did you read the notes?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, notes.
Did you read the notes?
I copied down the notes.
Yes, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope all of you have copied down the notes into the paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
show me? Can you show me where is the notes? I just want to see you. Atlas, very good. Adil Krishna, where is your note? Show me where is your note? Adil Krishna. Steve, all of you take out your notes and show me.
Ramya, ma'am.
Yes.
My mother told me to write in the book.
Why? Why?
After writing in the book, you write in the paper, she told.
Why are you doing double work? But you have to write in the paper and you should show me. Right? Today.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Herin, where is your note? Steve, show me your note. Sansil, Al Farhan, Zeba Mariam, Ehan,
Ma'am.
Balishankar, Amar. Yes.
Ma'am,
Fayaz,
I
Rita. All of you take out your notes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my
Yes.
note.
Ehan. Yes, very good. Anlin. Fidel.
Ma'am, I showed you.
Yes. Sandra.
I showed you.
Rolls and Francis. Where is your note? Turn. Rolls, turn. Turn the pages and show me. Yes, yes, do it fast. Ajol Roshni. Rita. Some of you have not returned the notes. You should complete your notebook today itself and show me. Right? Is it clear, dear children?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I use this time for asking some questions. Okay, when I ask question, unmute your audio and answer to me. Clear?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear. What do you want to say? Okay. Faiz Mohammed. Faiz. Faiz, unmute your audio. Faiz, can you explain two shades of moon? Two shades of the moon. Can you explain two shades of the moon? Can you explain the two shades of the moon? Faiz Mohammed.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm Zeba. I came now only.
It's okay. Adil Krishna. Two shades of moon. What are the two shades of moon? Adil, respond quickly.
Ma'am. Moon have.
Sorry.
Ma'am. Moon have.
Louder. If you know answer, say it louder.
Ma'am. Moon have discussions. That question.
What? My question is two shapes of moon. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I see now?
Yes, Steve.
Full
Very
moon,
good. Yes.
Purnima,
Full moon, Purnima, and one more is it?
new moon, Amavasya.
New moon, Amavasya. Very good. Thank you, dear. See now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Then, what are celestial bodies? Define celestial bodies. Steve, define celestial bodies.
Can I tell?
Can I
Steve,
tell?
louder.
The moon.
Others, please mute your audio. Steve, answer to my question.
Who's telling the answer?
Steve,
Ma'am, the sun, the moon, all these objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies.
very good, very good. Thank you, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Heron,
Yes, ma'am.
can you explain what is constellation? Define constellation.
A group of stars forming an design or a pattern in the night sky is called constellations.
Yes, very good, very good. In ancient time, how did people determine their direction? I will call. Adi Ishwar. In ancient time, how did people determine direction? During night. During the night. Adi Ishwar. I'm asking to Adi Ishwar.
Yes, ma'am.
Adi Ishwar, how did earlier people determine direction during the night?
Yes, ma'am.
Adi, answer to my question. No answer. Atul. Atul, it's the second question to you. Answer. How did earlier people determine direction?
Can I say?
I'm asking to Atul. Adul, unmute your audio and speak. Adul, unmute your audio and speak. This is the second time I'm calling you, Adul.
Ma'am,
Yes.
people used to determine direction by watching the stars.
Watching the
Watching the stars.
stars. What is the name of that star?
Uh,
A particular star helped them to determine direction, right? Directions. What is the name of that star? Sorry?
North Star.
North Star or
Pole Star.
Pole Star. Very good. Thank you. Next question. Zeba Mariam. Define solar system.
The term solar system is a family of 8 planets, sun, moon, celestial body, satellite, asteroid, satellite, and asteroid,
Celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids.
Asteroids and meteoroids is called a term solar system.
Very good. Very good. Thank you. Gautam Krish. Gautam. Your full name is Gautam Krishna, right? Okay. Gautam Krishna. Can you explain about the sun? What do you know about the sun? Or what all points we have studied under the heading the sun? Louder, you are not audible. Gautam Krishna. Gautam, you are not audible. I'll come to you later. Aldous.
Ma'am, can you, ma'am, the
Yes.
points under the sun we have to tell.
Yes.
Ma'am, sun is a large star which is made up of extreme hot gases. It
Yes.
is 150 million kilometers far away from the earth. It is the ultimate source of light and heat for the solar system.
Yes.
It takes the light of the sun takes 8 minutes to reach on the earth.
Very good. Then. Okay, good. Thank you. Sandra. Sandra, can you explain about the planets? Planets. Sandra, quickly.
There are 8 planets in the solar system.
Okay, very good.
In order of Mercury, Venus,
Amar.
Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed paths. These paths are included. They are orbits. It takes only about 88 days. August 2006. Pluto was also a planet.
Yes. Thank you, dear. Ajol, why is Venus known as Earth's twin? Why is planet Venus called Earth's twin?
Ma'am, once more.
Why is the planet Venus called Earth's twin? Ajol.
Ma'am,
Yes. Answer quickly, I can hear you.
ma'am, Earth is called Venus.
Not Earth is called, Venus is called Earth's twin because
It is
Ajol, you didn't learn it properly. I'll come to you. Ehan. Be ready with answer, Ajol. Ehan. Where is Ehan? Ehan,
Yes.
answer. Why is Venus
ma'am.
called Earth's twin?
Venus is considered as a twin because its size and shape are very similar.
Size and shape
That
of the
is the
yes. Good. Thank you. Your sound is breaking. Size and shape of Venus are similar to that of the Earth, right? You got the answer?
Yes.
Ajol, you got the answer? Size and shape of Venus are similar to that of the Earth. Clear? Now can you tell me the answer, Ajol? Why is the Venus called Earth's twin?
Size and shape of the Venus is similar to the Earth.
Similar to?
Earth.
Similar to the Earth. Very good. Very good. Then who comes next? Anlin. Anlin,
Yes, ma'am.
why is Earth called unique planet? Why is Earth called unique planet? It's very easy question, very simple answer. Easy question, simple answer, right? Am I right, dear children? Anlin, answer quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
You are late. Why? Because you didn't read this portion. Yes or no, Anlin? Answer sincerely.
Ma'am, I was forgot.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I was forgotten.
Forgot. What forgot? Forgot to learn social.
Other lessons were
It's
studied.
not an excuse. It's not an excuse. Don't repeat this again. Why is the Earth known as unique planet? Why is Earth called unique planet? Amar,
Yes, ma'am.
answer quickly.
The Earth is only planet which support the life.
Yes.
It has a life-giving gas called oxygen.
Very good.
Just water to
Yes. Yes. Conditions favorable to support life are found only on the Earth, right? Anlin, you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Conditions favorable to support life are found only on the Earth. Conditions favorable to support life, what are they? Air and water. Without air and water, we cannot live. These two conditions are there on the Earth. So conditions favorable to support life are found only on the Earth. Life supporting gases, oxygen is there, right? Because of this, Earth is called unique planet. This factors too, presence of air and water, does make our planet different from other planets. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And Lynn, answer to my question. Why is Earth called unique planet? Why is Earth called the unique planet? And Lynn, answer quickly. Unmute your audio and speak, dear. Unmute your audio and speak.
The air, yes, ma'am. It has water and air, which are very essential for our service. The air has life-supporting gases
Not for
like
service,
oxygen.
survival.
Because of this reason, the Earth is a unique planet in the solar system.
Unique planet, not unique. Did you read your textbook? Did you see your textbook?
Yes,
Did you read it? No.
yes, ma'am.
No?
Ma'am.
Okay. Why is Earth called unique planet?
Ma'am,
Conditions
Earth is
favorable
called-
to support life are found only on the Earth. Life supporting gas, oxygen is there on the Earth, water is there. These factors make our planet different from other planets. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is Earth called blue planet?
Ma'am,
Fidel. Why is Earth called blue planet or water planet? Why?
Ma'am, because it is so many water bodies
So many water bodies are there, right? Yes.
and 170 kilometer
70
space,
kilometers.
170 kilometer.
Yes. 170 kilometer.
There's 70% water bodies.
Presence of water, right? Water covers 70% of the surface of the earth. 70% of the surface of the earth. So Earth is called blue planet or water planet. Clear?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then next, what are asteroids? Who will explain? What are asteroids?
Ma'am, I
Aldous.
will.
Aldous,
Ma'am.
can you explain what are asteroids?
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, asteroids are tiny, numerous celestial bodies which revolve around the sun. They are mainly found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dear children, I think it's the time to wind up the class. I want to tell you one thing before winding up the class. You should complete your notes. Okay, today itself. Don't keep it for the next day. You should read your textbook every day and be thorough with it. You should be familiar with all the sentences in your textbook. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you when you write your examination.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? You should understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Understand meaning of sentences and learn. Don't simply by heart all the question answers. Understand the meaning and by heart it. Otherwise, you will forget it. You can't remember. If you learn without understanding the meaning of the sentences, you will never remember this. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, understand
ma'am.
the meaning of sentences and question answers and learn properly.
Okay, ma'am.
The next class, I will ask all questions. I will ask questions to all of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
be thorough with it. Be ready with answer.
Okay,
Thank you,
ma'am.
dear children. Thank you.